Hi everybody, this is Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing, with today's Tuesday tip. And today's tip should be a real helpful one. 5 questions you must ask your roofer. As you're going through the process of interviewing different roofers, talking to them, trying to get a feel for who is going to be the best one to do your job, these 5 questions should rise to the top when you're having these discussions with them. So question number 1, what is your office address? Why do you need to ask that? Kind of gives you an idea of how legitimate of a contractor they are. If they're operating out of their basement or something like that, that may not be a good indication for you. Question number 2, what is your contractor's license number? Boy, that's really important. If you're here in the El Paso County area, that's all covered by Pikes Peak Regional Building Department, and they issue license numbers to contractors who are licensed here. If the contractor isn't licensed here, he can't pull the permit, which is required for your re-roof job. Question number 3, do you have workers' comp insurance? Boy, we've talked about that a lot through our videos. If a contractor or the subcontractors don't have workers' comp insurance and there's an injury on the job, you as the homeowner or your insurance company could be liable. Don't forget to ask that question. Question number 4, do you require any money up front? Some roofers are going to tell you, hey, I've got to collect money up front because that helps them pay the bills. Well, a legitimate contractor is going to be able to pay his bills without collecting money up front for you. And Colorado Senate Bill 38 governs how a roofer can and can't collect money as a deposit payment from you as a homeowner. Do your research on that one and kind of figure out if the roofer is asking you for money up front, if it's a legitimate request or not. Question number 5, will you help me pay my deductible? That's kind of a trick question, and the reason I say it's a trick question is because roofers, it is against the law for roofers in Colorado to pay, waive, rebate, or discount your deductible in any way, shape, or form, or even promise to do that. So if you ask a roofer, will you help me pay my deductible? And he says, well, sure, we can do that. That really is a good indication that you should discount that roofer right there. And here's a bonus question that you can ask your roofer. Do you have a satisfaction guarantee? So if the roofer does a really poor job, do you have any recourse with that contractor at all? So if they really screw something up or they're doing things wrong, are you just stuck with having to give them money under the threat that they're going to file a mechanic's lien on your property or they're going to send the collections agency after you? You want to know that if there's a major issue that can't be resolved, just like with other purchases that you make, do you have the assurance that you're going to get your money back if you need to? If you've got any other questions for us, please give us a call at our office phone number right up here, 719-433-6991. You can also visit our website right down here, homesteadroofingcolorado.com. We've got a ton of information out there for you. Lots of tips, lots of education to help you through this whole process. And hey, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to know what you think as well. So please leave us a comment down in the comment section below. Let us know, well, what you thought about this video, but also let us know what kind of videos you'd like to see us make in the future. We'd love to have you subscribe to our channel, so please click the subscribe button and click the bell button up there so that way you get notified when we've got new videos. I'm Tracy Bookman, and we'll see you on our next Tuesday Tip video.